Hi, this is Juan from JuanTutors.com. Welcome to my totally free office hours. Today we're working on the January 2017 Algebra 1 Common Core Regents. If you want to access these exams anywhere in the world, go to nysedregents.org and click on the appropriate link. All right, let's get started. Here's problem 36. Alex launched a ball into the air. The height of the ball can be represented by the equation h is equal to -8t squared plus 40t plus 5, where h is the height in units and t is the time in seconds after the ball was launched. Graph the equation from t equals 0 to t equals 5 seconds, and I see height, units, time, seconds. Then state the coordinates of the vertex and explain the meaning and context of the problem. So let's use our do this problem on your own. I would highly suggest that you use the calculator to help you out here. So see if you get the same answer that we do. -8, and in this case x squared, plus 40x plus 5. Okay. And then let's see if we graph this. Okay, cool. So let's change our window from they want 0 to 5, so how about -1 to 6, so that we see, and then we do zoom fit. Zoom fit is this one. Okay. Now we might not be able to see much of what's going on here, but we can go to the table to help us out with the graph. Let's see. So 0, 5, 37, 53, 53, 37, 5. Those are the numbers that we need to graph. So we need to choose a scale for this situation. Since we're graphing from t equals 0 to t equals 5, we want to count the bottom boxes. Let's see, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20. So if we count every fourth box is a second, so 20 divided by 5 is 4. So if every fourth box is a second, we can fit just barely the time. And you do want to use as much space as possible, so that if you use for example, if you decide, I'm going to delete this in a second, but if you decide to do something like 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, you'll actually get points off. They won't accept that. So you want to do it with the right scaling. Now the second thing is that this goes up to 53, although we know that the parabola is going to go a little higher than 53, so we need a little extra space. There's 20 boxes up. Let's see, 53 going a little higher, that's 60. 60 divided by 3 is 3. So each box can represent 3. I don't like using odd numbers, so I'm going to use each box equaling 4. If you use each box equaling 5, I think it might be too squished. So 4, 8, 12, 16, 20. 4, 8, 12, 16, 20 is 40. And then 4, 8, 12, 16, 20, that's 60. Okay. Now just for accuracy, I'm gonna calculate what the peak is. So you see the calc button above trace. I'm gonna calculate the maximum. So I go to the left of the maximum. Cool. I go to the right of the maximum. Cool. I try to guess. And the maximum is at y equals 55. Okay, so let's see. And I could go to the table to graph points. So y equals x when time equals 0, y equals 5. So 5. Let's use black. 5. Then y equals 1, x equals 1, y equals 37. So 30. This is 36. So just above 36 is 37. Stop it. Then for 2, y equals 53. So 44, 48, 52. So 53 is just above that. For y equals 3, 4 spaces over, it's also 53. And then for y equals 4, you get 37 again. And for y equals 5, you get 5. Okay, so let's make those big. And then I'm going to graph this with a black pen. Now I know it goes up to 55, which is just below this line, so I can do a pretty good graph. Cool. And there are 2 points. Now the next part, state the coordinate of the vertex and explain its meaning in the context of the problem. Now the calculator will tell you where the vertex is. According to the calculator, it's at x equals 2.5. Let's do it again. Calc the maximum to the left, to the right, and guess. 2.4999. It's 2.5. We know it's 2.5 because it's the vertex. I'm going to write the part 2 here, okay, because of spacing issue. I want the problem in the screen. So the vertex occurs at x equals negative b over 2a, which is equal to negative 40 over 2 times negative 8, which is equal to negative 40 over 16, which is equal to 2.5. All right. And then y is equal to 55. Okay. You can get that from the calculator. You're allowed to plug that into the calculator. Or if you want, you could say negative 8 times 2.5 squared plus 40 times 2.5 plus 5, and you're allowed to plug this into the calculator at this point as 55. Okay. Now the vertex is then 2.5 comma 55. Now, what is the meaning of the vertex? Explain the meaning of the vertex in the context of the problem. This means, remember that the horizontal axis is time, and then let's put a T here and an H here. And the vertical axis is height. So the fact that this is a height and a time means that this is the height of the ball at a specific time, and specifically it's the maximum height, right? So this means that the ball reaches a maximum height of 55 units at time t equals 2.5 seconds. That's it, 4 points. Hey, thanks for watching. If you're watching from one of our playlists, hit the fast forward button to start the next video right now. If not, go to youtube.com, search for JuanTutors.com, click on the name, and definitely hit the subscribe button, and click on the bell if you want to receive notifications when we post new videos, and scroll to the bottom. All of our playlists are going to be right at the bottom. Just click on the appropriate playlist and play all the videos from there. And if you feel like you need a little extra boost with tutoring, go to our website, check out our testimonials, and if you feel like we're right for you, you can click on the Contact Us link and contact us straight from the page. Thanks for watching.